Hey guys, if you are new here, hi, my name is Leah. If you are not new here, welcome back. As you can see, I'm be doing a little mukbang, chit chat, and I want to be talking about the quality. My mom made these. It's like pulled pork. But anyway. I don't like pork too much, and I can tell when something's pork because it has a very distinct taste, even if it's seasoned to the core. Yeah, the quality of my videos, as you can see, the lighting has gotten a lot better, and the reason why is because for Christmas we did a Secret Santa within my family here in this household, and we had a budget of $100 minimum. Yeah, $100 minimum. And what I really wanted, like something I mean, I planned on getting this eventually. I wasn't sure when, so I'm glad we kind of decided to do this little gift exchange because I got this ring light. And as you saw in my first video of the year, I got a Flexen shirt, a Flexen long sleeve, and it's from his racing gear collection that he came out with, and I love it. I'm obsessed with it. So my videos went from 0 to 100 real quick. I love barbecue. I love barbecue anything. Did I say that? So yeah, my videos are gonna be looking a lot better now because of the lighting, and it has a stand. The ring light has a phone stand or camera stand, and it's really nice. So yeah, I'm excited. By the way, Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope this is a great year for you guys. I have a big feeling it's going to be a good year for me. I'm excited. I have a lot of plans. Let me finish chewing. I have a lot of plans for this year. So, let's see what happens, because I know my plans are not God's plans. And whatever happens, happens. But I'm really excited for this year. I have a goal. I want to reach 150 subscribers. Right now I'm at 71, which I know is not a big goal, but it's a goal. And if I get more, cool. If I stay the same, I'm gonna be sad. So I remember telling myself, I remember last year, I didn't have New Year's resolutions, but I remember telling myself, I am not gonna say no to opportunity. I'm gonna say yes to almost everything. Everything that I'm comfortable with, I'm gonna say yes to. I did it to actually, not even comfortable with. I did it to like get out of my comfort zone. I did it to like make memories. I love making memories. I love being social and being with people. I don't know, it just makes me happy. And even if it's like temporary, or if I met a friend and like, hi Beba. Hi. Mira. Wow. Diles hi. Ahorita viene Nina, se está bañando. Ok. ¿Ya comiste, papá? ¿Sí? Ew. ¿Awi qué? Ew. Diles hi. my niece, 2.5. It's so big. So, ¿quieres poquito? Special guest. ¿Quieres más? So, like I was saying, I told myself I wasn't gonna say no, and I'm so glad I made that decision. I made new friends, I made a lot of memories. It was a really great year when it comes down to something like that. So, I'm definitely gonna hold myself up to that again this year because it's a really great decision that I made. I'm filming. Wow!
They look pretty cheap, bro. They do. Oh, Japanese, JDM.
True. You look sus. So thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. I am uploading every day for the month of January. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys next time.